Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make braised pork knuckle with preserved plum using a pressure cooker. Here is my dog Diamond wishing you a happy Lunar New Year. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. I normally buy pre-cut pork knuckle from grocery stores because it's impossible for me to cut the bone at home. So wash and cut into bigger pieces. Put the knuckle pieces into a pot of cold water. Add a tablespoon of vinegar. Cook for 5 minutes after the water boils. Rinse with tap water. Then drain well. You may buy preserved plums from Asian grocery stores. Measure Chinese sweetened black vinegar and white vinegar, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and Chu Hou Sauce mixed together. Is cooking wine. Press the Saute button on pressure cooker to heat up. Add 1 tablespoon oil, then pour ginger slices and shallots into it. Saute until fragrant, then add pork knuckle pieces. Saute for about 1 minute to brown. Add cooking wine and sauce and saute. Add hot water and preserved plums. Cover with lid. Pressure cook for 20 minutes. Manually release pressure and carefully open lid. Stir well, then put the glass lid on, press saute button, and cook for another 5 minutes to reduce sauce. Then scoop out. Let me try a piece. Meat is already tender. The skin part still has a little bit chewy texture, which is not too soft. That's perfect. This braised pork knuckle with preserved plum is not only delicious, but it's also full of collagen, which is so good for your skin. Enjoy!